In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a style mismatch in Artistly AI. A style mismatch happens when the generated image looks very different from the style you originally requested. For example, you may ask for a realistic image, but receive something cartoonish or inconsistent. First, open the generated image and review the result carefully. Compare the final image with your original prompt and identify exactly what looks incorrect, such as lighting, realism, colors, or overall artistic style. Next, go to the official Artistly AI support page at Artistly Support Center and contact their support team. You can email your concern directly to support@artistly.ai and clearly explain the issue you experienced. Include your original prompt, describe the mismatch, and attach screenshots if needed so the support team can better understand the problem. The more specific your feedback is, the easier it becomes to identify what went wrong and improve future generations. You can also try refining your prompt, using the Prompt Enhancement Wand tool, or regenerating with clearer style descriptions before submitting another image. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.